What's happening, guys? Check out this classic. You know I fell in love with it. Red, white, and blue Interceptor 700. This thing makes some absolutely amazing music out of this V4 gear-driven cam Yoshi pipe rocket ship, and it's as fast as it looks. I'll give you a quick demo in a second, but you got to hear this thing run. Nothing like the sound of a gear-driven cam V4 breathing through a Yoshi race pipe. These bikes were winners right out of the box in AMA road racing. Honda's racing pedigree is long and well deserved. They won a lot of national road races with their race bikes, and this is a street legal version derived from those. Triple disc brakes, mag wheels, liquid cooled, technologically far advanced for the year for 1986. It is a classic, but it rides like a new bike. Let me demonstrate. It's also been just gone through totally. If you recognize this came from the John Mahee collection out of Pennsylvania. He was a collector of vintage Hondas, including the lowest mile CDX we've ever seen. It had 96 miles on it when we got it. And 5 of these VF700 Interceptors. He had 5 of them. He loved Hondas. All his bikes were beautiful classic Hondas, and this one is really one of my favorites. I just love the color and I love the way it performs. And you don't have smell evasion, but if you could smell the VP fuel coming out of this thing, it smells freaking fantastic. It's intoxicating. Down the road, guys, if this thing, if it's not love at first rev of the engine, something's wrong with you, because this thing it's intoxicating. It's a kind of test ride where I just want to keep on going. Again, this is from the John Mahee collection. This is the favorite color combo. There's a 1-year color on this bike, and we've just gone right through it. Where's the work order on? The mechanic himself went through this. So again, Honda 700cc gear-driven V4 with a Yoshi pipe, 1-year only model with the Honda Racing red, white, and blue. Double overhead cam 4-valve per cylinder engine, a direct descendant Honda's racing designs. Out of the box winner, super smooth 6-speed 4-stroke V4, ultimate power, low vibration, very refined machine, especially for the year for 86. There's not much better than this from that time for sure. We went right through it, put thousands and a couple $1,000s of parts and labor into it. It has a new UASA battery. The fuel tank was drained, rinsed, cleaned, and inspected. The carburetors removed, disassembled, and cleaned. It has new fuel tube O-rings, new float bolt O-rings. The fuel screws were set. It has new fuel lines, new fuel filter, fresh VP94 non-ethanol fuel, new intake manifolds, all 4 of them. A new OEM airbox lid and air filter, new radiator fan switch, new clutch lever, new front brake lever, new OEM replica hand grips, new OEM right hand rear set foot peg assembly, new fork seals, fresh 10-wick fork oil, a new DID 530 DX3 final drive chain, set the tire pressures, gave it a 100% check over, and then it went through the rotisserie detail in our shop where it was steam clean, hand washed, polished to grease, polished all the hardware, the wheels, the forks, the controls, the fenders, buffed and waxed the paint. An awesome, modern, classic. It's kind of an oxymoron, but it sure feels modern compared to the inline fours from that era. It's just a phenomenal engine design, fantastic machine. We're running BP94 ethanol-free fuel in it. Original saddle on it is intact. It's got a slight rip in it, but it's the original saddle. And what's the bike? 86. What does that make it? 37 years old. I mean, it'll be 40 years old in 2026 in 2 years. So, really a phenomenal machine. You could run vintage plates on it if you wanted to. Cost you pennies to register and insure a classic like this. So everything's mechanically, all the heavy lifting's been done. Cosmetically, it's absolutely freaking gorgeous. It's not perfect, like I said. It's got the rip in the seat right here. John actually dropped it and on the driveway and dented the tank right here. There's a little bit of touch-up paint where the paint chipped off. That could easily be, a body shop could easily repair that for you. It's also missing the fairing lowers, which are available, aftermarket fairing lowers. You can actually buy them pre-painted for not a lot of money. We already put a lot into the bike. We didn't want to have it be priced too expensive, so it's still going to be priced affordably. It's got the Yoshi 4-into-1 pipe. We replaced the rear set because when John dropped it on this side, it not only it ground down the brake lever a little bit, put a little chip in the fairing and cracked the fairing, which it could be repaired or replaced. The dings in the tank put a little grind mark on the engine case right here, which that could be sanded down, smoothed off, and repainted if you wanted to make that go away, or just replace the cover. And it put a little mark, grind down mark on the Yoshi pipe right there. You can see. But other than that, it also the mount for the fairing is bent in a little bit, so the fairing mount could be straightened out or replaced. But that's about it. I mean, the thing hauls ass. It fucking handles like a dream. It's fast, fun, and it's going to be priced affordable. If you have any questions about this bike, give us a call, 860-454-7024. You can see this side of the bike that it wasn't dropped on. The tank looks beautiful. Original factory finish. Again, this is from the John Mahey collection. John only collected really nice classic Hondas, and he had a soft spot for these Interceptors. He had 5 of them. So if you're looking for a classic Interceptor that has been tuned to the 9s and runs phenomenal, your ship just came in. I'll have a full write-up on the work order. The rear brake, Jeff said the rear brake master caliper should be rebuilt. It's about a $30 kit. The brakes work good, but they're a little sticky, so probably want to rebuild that. Like I said, we want to draw a line in the sand to keep this thing so it wasn't priced out of the market of most mere mortals, because it's not hard to run up a $5,000, $8,000, $10,000 bill at 120 bucks an hour. So these are easy things to do. Bolting on the fairing, having the tank repaired. Any body shop could do that. Redoing the brakes, the hard stuff, the mechanical tuning of it is done, so it's ready to go. We finance through Freedom Road here. Junior can finance this for you, ship it anywhere in the world for you. If you can't afford to buy it and you want a chance at win a bike, we're raffling off that 2023.5 brand new Barsha edition Gas 450 factory edition. Thanks to Motul and Gas and the rest of our sponsors, 6D, for making today possible. We've got over 50 classic bikes here on this month's auction starting September 1st, tomorrow. These will be going up on YouTube and then on eBay. I think the auction starts Friday into Saturday. 50 classic bikes. So thanks for watching. God bless you all. God bless America.